Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe as I update content regularly, and you just never know if you might hear something that might help you improve your life or your business. What I want to talk about today is book Magic from Rhonda Byrne, and I'm on day 12, and today we want to focus on magical people who have made a difference in our life. So the chapter starts with a quote from Albert Schweitzer. At times our own light goes out and it's wrinkled by a spark from another person. Each one of us has a cause to thank with the deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. So what I believe is that everybody sometimes, just as the quote states, is Rhonda Byrne focuses on those individuals, and everybody in their own life somehow is affected by that one or multiple individuals. Rhonda Byrne actually wants us to focus on 3 individuals and to thank them for either giving us power or sparking our flame. And so I'm gonna give you guys my own examples. I am not affiliated anyway with the book, but I am applying the principles from that book into my life and sharing it with you guys. So for me, the first individual who actually has made an altering moment was Annie, who was a nurse, and I used to work with her, and I was only a surgical tech at the time. However, Annie always encouraged me, and she always enforced, saying that, hey, you should go for nurse, you'll be great at it. And I said, no, I won't be, I'm not, I don't have it in me. So one day I just, decided to take a leap of faith and, listen to Annie. And 4 years later, I became a nurse. And at the party that, my wife organized for me, for that, she actually was there, and I was able to thank her in person. So that was a very powerful moment to give back to her. Second person that I'm grateful for helping me make a difference and sparking me in my life was as I was going through this nursing program. You'll have your ups and downs, and my wife was one individual who never gave up, and it was not easy, like any individual has, going through schooling, working full-time. And for me, my wife actually gave me encouragement, and she helped me push through. So I'm also very thankful to her, and I did on multiple occasions. Anytime I have opportunity, I'm grateful to her, and I express the gratitude for being there for me and making a difference. And as you move on through your life, you meet people, you get into situations where a new spark occurs. So that third spark for me, out of many, I chose Jeff Lerner, who helped me, encourage me. And this is actually different because this wasn't in person. This was through ad online, through a Bing ad, actually, on one of the websites. I always wanted to be an entrepreneur, and what happened is, seeing that Jeff portray his message through online, he was still able to give me that spark and encourage me to take a new route in life, being an entrepreneur. So I want to thank him for. I haven't thanked him in person yet because I haven't met him yet in person. Although one day I will, and I'm going to be thankful, and I'm going to say thank you to him, shake his hand for the encouragement that he has given me, and it's very powerful. So here's the 3 examples, guys. So as you're doing it for yourself, you want to focus on each individual. You want to do 3 of them at one sitting, because that's how it's powerful. And you want to finish it in one setting, and you want to do that in one day, and just write it down, or express it to these individuals. So thank you very much, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.